In this video, we're going to look at the fastest way to build a professional website that actually helps you get more customers in 2026. If you've ever found yourself asking Siri or Google, how do I build a professional website for my small business, and you felt overwhelmed by the thought of hiring a designer or learning to code, this video is definitely for you. The truth is, in 2026, your website is often the first and only chance you have to make a good impression. If your site looks outdated or doesn't work well on a phone, you're basically invisible to almost everyone looking for your services. But the good news is, it's not just about how much you spend on a developer, it's about how much the platform you use can do for you. A lot of people ask, why is it so hard to make my website look good? Usually, it's because of something I call design friction. This happens when you try to use old-school builders that force you to move every single button and image manually. It ends up looking messy, and Google's AI starts to ignore you because your site isn't optimized for modern search. Google's AI is constantly scanning the web to see how fast your site loads and how professional it looks on a mobile device. If your site is clunky or slow, Google gets confused and hides your page because it doesn't want to send users to a bad experience. This is the main reason why many businesses lose out to the competition. Their website just isn't built for the modern internet, and they don't even know it. This is exactly where Squarespace comes in to save you a ton of time and stress. Instead of you spending weeks trying to figure out technical details or paying thousands to a designer, Squarespace uses something called Blueprint AI to do the heavy lifting for you automatically. It acts like a professional designer sitting right next to you. You answer a few simple questions about your goals, and it builds a custom, high-end foundation for your site instantly. In 2026, search engines reward professional design and speed. By using Squarespace, you're telling the search bots, hey, I am a modern, reliable, and professional business, and that is what pushes you higher in the search results. It's honestly the easiest way to get an expensive-looking site without needing any technical skills at all. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that it helps you realize that building a professional brand doesn't have to be a nightmare. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me create more guides like this for people starting their own business. Also, feel free to share this video with a friend who's still struggling with an old, broken website. If you want to see exactly how easy this is, I've put a link in the description for a completely free 14-day trial. You don't even need a credit card to start building, so you can see your new site come to life in about 10 minutes. If you have any questions or comments about how to get your site launched, please leave them in the comment section below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and have a fun, successful year building your brand.